how to block or unblock someone on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block or unblock someone on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with how to block someone on Facebook. So simply open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you simply have to tap on the search icon, which can be seen at the top. And now from here, you simply have to search for the person that you want to block. And now here, once you are on the profile page, just tap on the three dot icon located next to the message button. And now here, once you see the interface like this, then you can simply tap on the block option. And here with that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, just confirm it by tapping on block again. And once you do that, the person will be blocked. Now they won't be able to see your profile, message you or tag you or add you again unless you have unblocked them later. And with that, we'll move on the part where you can unblock someone on Facebook. So here to unblock someone on Facebook, you just have to open the Facebook app and here once you're inside, then you simply have to tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the option labeled as blocking. And now here in this section, you will see the list of people that you have blocked. So from here, simply find the person that you want to unblock and tap on unblock next to their name. And here, confirm it by tapping on unblock again. And once you do that, the person can see your profile, send you friend request or message you again. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.